And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a vine in Adobe Illustrator. Let's use the pen tool. Click and drag. So don't release it. We've got top curve. Then click again and drag. And we've created this kind of an S shape to work with. You can increase the stroke weight, but I want to use the width tool instead. Go to the center position. It says intersect and then drag. That was my mistake. I undo that, Ctrl Z, and then I do it again. Click and drag until you've got something like this. Let me make the edges a bit smaller. Just click and drag it inwards. And that's fine. Now we need the spiral tool. You will find that here where the line segment tool is. Just right click. And there it is. You can use the arrow keys up and down to add or subtract elements of this spiral. Let me reposition that, and I need to rotate it slightly, just like this. And now we need the width tool again. Go to the anchor point at the end, click and drag, just like so. And I want to make the end point smaller, so click and drag inwards. This looks fine, but I may have to reposition it once more a little bit. Just like this. That's good. I want to resize that. I hold Shift when I do so. No, I need a copy. I hold Alt and drag a copy out of it. I rotate it. Just like so. And I reposition it. Let's drag another copy out of it. Now we can also transform it. Right click, transform and reflect. We need a vertical reflect. Click on preview and you see what you're doing. Then okay. I need to rotate it once more. Up to here. And we need another one. I'll resize that. I just want a small one. And that's fine. But let me make this element a bit longer. I'll hold Alt when I resize it. Now I need to reposition the other elements. Alright. Now select it all. It's currently a stroke. Go to Window and open your gradient menu. It's over here. And now we want to apply a gradient, but first we need to select a stroke. Otherwise it will be applied to the fill, and we don't have one. Then we use a preset, and we want to apply the gradient across the stroke, which is the third option over here. And now we need to change the colors, as we want to have a green color. Just double click on the circles, use a green color, a dark one and a light one. Maybe this is better. Yeah, that looks better. So now we want to change how all of these elements are arranged. So right click, arrange and send to back. So now it's behind the big shape that we have. We can also simply click on that, then right click, arrange and bring that to front. Problem solved. And this is how you can create such a vine in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.